So before moving on to paint, I'm going to emphasize my use of line. So what I'm going to do is this will give me a chance to add some of the details that I didn't put into the original sketch here. So what I might do is add the eyes, nose, mouth there. So by doing that, I'm going to use crayons, and I don't have to copy Jean-Michel Basquiat's colors. Like here, I think I'm going to fill in this eye using orange instead of red. Then I'm going to do this one. I notice he's outlined in yellow, but maybe instead of yellow, maybe I decide I'm going to use red for that. So I'm going to trace around. This is also my chance to actually draw his mouth on there. That's something that I didn't do in the original sketch. So I'm going ahead and opening his mouth up a little bit. And I'm tracing around his body, not the shapes. So I don't want it to look like he has all these separate parts. I want to show his actual body. All right? And Jean-Michel Basquiat, he didn't do that to the whole thing, so maybe I don't have to do that to the whole thing. Maybe I want to repeat this orange somewhere, so maybe I do that down his back here with those spikes. And then maybe I introduce some of my own colors. Maybe I use green instead of red for that oval inside of his body there. And maybe his toes are going to be green. And here I'm not coloring in the shapes because I'm going to do that with paint. So maybe I use the orange for the rest of his body to outline that. And then I like the idea of repeating green up here for the crown. So I'm going to go ahead and fill that in since that is a smaller shape. But then I want to outline that with a color. And I like the idea of using this here. So I'm going to trace over. So I like that purple with the green, but we've talked about repetition before. So with repetition, I think I need to use the purple somewhere else. So maybe for his teeth, and maybe to add on some claws there. And I could even color in some of the spikes on his back there with it. I don't want to do too much filling in because I want to do most of that when I switch over to paint. All right, so this guy is ready for me to add more color by using paint.